The LCM of two numbers is 17280. The numbers are in the ratio 1:5/8. Find the difference of the two numbers. What is the two numbers ratio? 8:5. Difference is how many parts? 3 parts. How many options are 3 multiples? First option 3 multiple. Second option is more than one option or not? Next, suppose first number we are consider 80A, second number 5A. First number 80A, second number 5A. What is the LCM? 40A or not? That is equal to how much? 17280 or not? What is the question here? Difference of the two numbers. First number 80A, second number 5. Difference is 3A. Yes or no? Both sides zeros are cancelled. 4 how many times? 4 times. What is the remaining? 3 times. 2 times or not? 432 into 3. 1296. Next, second question. The salaries of A and B are in the ratio of which one? 4:5, and B and C are 6:7. A is how many parts? 4 parts. B is how many parts? 5 parts. Sir. Next, in the same way, B and C are in which ratio? 6:7. Both the cases B value different. Then first ratio multiplied by 6, second ratio multiplied by 5 or 6 4 the how much? 24. 6 4 the 24 and 6 5 the 30. 5 7 the 35. That is the 3 numbers ratio. What is the next point? The difference between salaries of A and C is how much? 20,900. A 24 parts, C 34 5 parts. Difference 11 parts. What is the 11 parts value? 20,900. What is the difference between the differences salaries of A and B and A and C? What is the A and B? 74. What is the A and C? What is the difference between the differences of salaries of A and C? Difference between the differences are first 24 and 30 difference 6. Again A and C difference 11. One is 11, another one 6. Difference 5. Yes or no? 24 30 difference 6. 24 35 difference 11. Again 11 and 6 difference 5. 11 how many times? 209. 19 times or 1900 into 5. 9500. Next question number 3. 40 people went to a restaurant for a dinner party. 30 of them paid for 770 each, and the rest of them paid 210 more than the average of the total expenses. What was the total expenses for the dinner? Okay, total how many people? 40 people. Total how many people? 40 people. Suppose 40 people average we are consider A. 40 people average are A means what is the 40 people sum? 40 into A. It is 40 people total expenses are. Next, out of 40 people, 30 of them each one are paid 770. Means 30 people sum is 30 into which one? 770 are. What are the rest of the members? 10 members are. Rest of the members 10 members, and they are paid 210 more than the average of the total expenses. What is the average? A compared to this one 210 more means 10 into which one? A plus 210. They paid 210 more than the average of the total expenses. Nothing but each one A plus 210. Total 10 members, 10 into A plus 210. Left hand side how many persons sum? 40%. Right hand side 30% plus 10%. Total 40%. Equal or different? Equal. Left hand side 0, right hand side 0 cancel or not? Left hand side 4a, right hand side 1a. Difference is 3a or not? That is equal to 3 into which one? 770 plus 210 or not? 3. Left hand side 3, right hand side 3, how many times? 70 times or not? 770 plus 70. 840 or not? If you return 3 into 770 again 210, it is time taken or not? First divide the 3, both sides. A equal to how much? 840. What is the question here? What was the total expenses for the dinner? Means required 40 into which one? 840 or not? What is the total value? 33,600 or verify the 4 multiple. All the options are 4 multiples. Next question number 4. Can I skip the fourth one? Next question number 5. In the given figure, AB is parallel to which one? CD. Angle APO equal to how much? 48. And angle CRO equal to how much? 56. Find the reflex angle of angle POR. Okay. Total angle is how much? 360. In that, how many angles are completed? 48 and 56. How much? 104. Then reflex angle out of 360, we are subtracting 104. What is the remaining? 256. What is the total angle? 360. In that, these two 104 are occupied. Means reflex angle of POR equal to how much? Remaining angular. Next, sixth one. The following pie chart shows the percentage number of articles sold by different shops S1, S2, S3, S4, S5. All are given in percentage or value? Percentage. If the number of articles sold by all the 5 shops together is 19,120, what is the difference between the number of articles sold by S2 and S3 together, S1 and S4 together? First, what is the S2 value? 20%. S3 value 25. Together 45. What is the S1 value? 15. S4 value 10. Together value 25. What is the difference? 20% or 20% of which value we need? 19,120 or what is the 10%? 1912. 20% means double or 3824. Next question number 7. Raju bought an article and sold it for profit, which is half of the cost price of the article. The profit percentage earned by Raj. Suppose CP is always how much percent? 100%. It is sold it for profit, which is half of the which one? Cost price. Means profit percentage is how much? 50% or selling price 150. Already question completed. What is the answer? 50% or if you are taken cost price are 100%, it is sold at for profit or loss? Profit. For profit, which is half of the cost price of the article. If cost price are 100%, half means 50%. Profit value 50% means 50% or? Next question number 8. Curved surface area of a hemispherical vessel is 11088. The capacity of the water that can hold by the vessel in liters. What is the curved surface area of a hemisphere? 2 pi r square, that is equal to how much value? 11088. But we required capacity of a water held by the vessel in liters. Liters means required volume or not? What is the volume of a hemisphere? 2 by 3 pi r cube or not? 2 by 3 pi. Pi means 11 multiple. Pi means 11 multiple. First option is 11 multiple. Verify the 11 multiple. First option 11 multiple. No. Second option. Second option 1 plus 5 plus 3. 5 plus 4 plus 2. No. Third option 1 plus 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 plus 2. No. Fourth option 1 plus 5 plus 3. 5 plus 2 plus 2. Yes sir. Then answer fourth option. Next question number 9. A man can row 33 kilometers downstream and 40 kilometers upstream in how many hours? 11 hours. Also, he can row 44 kilometers downstream and 60 kilometers in upstream in 16 hours. Find the rate of the current and the speed of the man in still water. Means required rate of the current and speed of the manner. Okay. First, what is the downstream distance? 33 kilometers. What is the downstream speed? M plus S or M minus S? M plus S. Downstream distance by downstream speed, we are get the downstream timer. Next, what is the upstream distance? 40 kilometers. What is the upstream speed? M minus S. These two are adding, we are get the total timer. What is the total time? 11 hours, sir. Yes or no? Both together time is 11. Means more time or less time? 33 by M plus S, 40 by M minus S, both are adding, it will be how much? 11. 11 is the maximum value or minimum value? Maximum value. Suppose if you are getting 1 equal to 1 2 means equal to 3 hours means it is minimum value. If minimum value means speeds are maximum. Speeds are maximum. Time or maximum means speeds are minimum. Next, what is the second case distance? 44 kilometers downstream. 44 by M plus S plus 60 kilometers upstream. 60 by M minus S. These two are adding, we are get the total timer. How many hours? 16 hours. Here also time will be maximum or minimum? Maximum. Obviously speed values minimum. Okay. What is the first term? 33 by M plus S. Second one 44 by M plus S. What is the common factor in numerator? 11. Denominator common factor? M plus S. Then I written M plus S equal to how much? 11. Yes or no? Next. Just 1 minute. 33 by 11 means how much? 3. Obviously second one. 8 or not? 8 or not? 8 means 40 by 8. M minus S equal to 5 or not? Yes or no? Next, 44 by 11 means 4. 16 minus 4, 12. Remaining 12 hours or not? 60 by 12, 5 or not? Second case also M minus S value is how much? 5. R. Right hand side maximum time or minimum time? Maximum time. But these two terms are, we are getting minimum values or not? Yes or no? Obviously 40 and 60 cases speed values actually M minus S. It will be more speed or less speed? Less speed. Less speed means obviously we are getting the more time or less time? More time or not? Means M minus S is how much? 5. M plus S value 11. What is the common factor of 40 and 60? Actual common factor 20 or not? 40 by 20 we are getting 2 hours. 60 by 20 we are getting 3 hours. It is not satisfied. Again we are taken 10 also factor or not? 40 by 10 4. 60 by 10 6. It is also not satisfied. Again we are taken 5. 5 is a factor or not? Okay. 40 by 5 8. 60 by 5 12. It is satisfied or not? Then M plus S is how much? 11. M minus S value 5. First option satisfied? No. Second option? Yes. Third option? No. Fourth option? No. Both are adding, it must be how much? 11. Both are subtracting, it will be 500. Which option is satisfied? Second option. Or what is the m value? Both are adding by 2 or subtracting by 2? Adding by 2. 16 by 2 means 8. S means subtracting by 2 or not? 11 minus 5, 6. By 2 means 3. Next, 10th one. ఈ క్వశ్చన్లో కొంచెం క్లారిటీ మిస్ అయింది, ఒకసారి స్కిప్ చేయండి, కుదిరితే రేపు మాట్లాడుకుందాం. ఓకేనా? ఆన్సర్ 179 వస్తుంది, కానీ ఆప్షన్స్లో 181 కనిపిస్తుంది. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 11. ABC can do a piece of work in 10, 20 and 30 days. After completing the work together, they received 44,000. What is the difference between the shares of A and C? What is the time ratio? 1:2:3 or not? Either wages or salaries always distributed based on their efficiency or time. Efficiency. What is the time ratio? 1:2:3. Then efficiency ratio 6:, don't say 3:2:1. 6:3:2 or not? Total efficiency how many parts? 11 parts or not? What is the 11 parts value? 44,000. Which one share we need? Difference between A and C. A and C difference 4 parts or not? What is the answer? 16,000. Next question number 12. A boat can row in still water at 1.5 km/h. Means speed of the boat means m value or s value? Boat m value or stream s value? And but it takes thrice as long to row to swim upstream than the downstream. As long means time or speed? Time. As far as distance. As far as distance, as long as time, as fast as speed. And here which one relation are given? Time relation or speed relation? Time relation. Which one time is more? Upstream time or downstream time? Upstream time, because upstream time, upstream speed are lesser. Obviously time are more. Okay. And one case it will be downstream time, another one are upstream timer. What is the time ratio? 1:3 or not? If downstream time are 1 hour, upstream time are 3 hours or not? What is the time ratio? 1:3. What is the speeds ratio? 3:1. Downstream speed is how many parts? 3 parts. Upstream speed 1 part. Then speed of the boat m is how many parts? 3 plus 1 by 2. How many parts it is? 2 parts or not? Then speed of the stream, both are subtracting by 2 or adding by 2? Subtracting by 2. Subtracting by 2 means 1 part. What is the 2 parts value? 1.5. But we required 1 part. What is the 1 part value? 0.75. Next question number 13. If a 10-digit number 44312B 699A is divisible by which one? Both 8 and 11. Find the value of 6A plus 3B minus 21. And here it is divisible by 8 and 11 means we required how many unknowns? B and A, 2 unknowns. If we required first of all A value means verify the last 3 digits or first 3 digits? Last 3 digits. Last 3 digits means divisible of 8. Okay, first verify the divisible of 8, after that divisible of 11. First divisible of 8. Suppose A value we written 1, it is 991, it is divisible by 8? No. Suppose A value we are taken 2, 992, it is divisible by 8. Means A value we written how much? 2. Next, what is the divisible of 11? Alternate digits sum, difference will be either 0 or 11. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 6, 15 plus 9, 24. Next, 4 plus 1, 5 plus B plus 9, 14 plus 2, 16 means 16 plus B okay, then B must be 8 16 plus 8 how much? 24. Already 24. 24 and 24 difference 0. Alternate digits sum difference will be either 0 or 11 means 24 minus of 16 plus B that is equal to which one? 0 value. Then B must be how much? 8 okay. A value 2 and B value 8. What is the question here? 6A plus 3B minus 21. 6A means 12. 3B means 24 minus 21. What is the difference? 24 and 21? 3. 12 plus 3? 15 Question number 14. A borrowed 21,000 from B at the rate of 5% per annum for simple interest. At the rate of 5% per annum for simple interest and lend it to C at 10% per compound interest compounded half yearly. After 1 year, profit got by A. Okay. A borrowed 21,000 from B. Nothing but B paid to A. How much percent are paid? 5%. Yes or no? It is lent to which one? C. At 10% compound interest. What is the meaning? 10% per annum? Yes or no? But interest will be calculated half yearly. First in simple interest, what is the interest are getting? 5%. It is 1 year means how much percent? 5%. Next compound interest. What is the per annum rate of percent? 10%. Per annum rate of percent? 10%. Every 6 months 5%. First 6 months 5%. Second 6 months 5% plus 5% of 5%. What is the 5% of 5%? 0.25. Total how much percent are getting in second case? 10.25. He paid how much percent? 5%. But he received 10.25. How much percent are profit? 5.25%. He paid to B 5%. But he received from C 10.25. How much extra? 5.25. That is profit or no? 5.25% of which one? 21,000 or no? 21,000. 21,000. What is the 5% value? 1050. 1050. Again we required which one? 0.25% or no? Already we know 5% value or no? Then 25%. 5 times or no? Yes or no? 5 times of 1050. 5250 or no? 5250. 25% 5250. But we required 0.25. Means divide by 100 means 52.5. Total it is 1102.5. Third option or fourth option? Third option. Or if you know the 7 multiple, both are in 7 multiples or not? It is 7 multiple, it is also 7 multiple. Verify the 7 multiple. Okay. Next question number 15. Anyone need 15th question? No? Chepala? Chepala? First priority which one? Bharat. Minus 14y minus 3y means first 11y minus 11y or plus 11y. Only bar value 11y. 24 minus 24y minus 11y. 13y or 13y into 3. 39y means this total value you are getting 39y. And one more, what is the first priority here? 144y divide by 2 into 3. 2 3 is how much? 6. 6 how many times? 24. Next, minus 162y divided by 3 of 6. 3 into 6, 18. 18 how many times? 9 times. It is minus 9y. Yes or no? Plus how much value? 39y. It is 24y minus 9y plus 39y. 39 and 9 difference 30 plus 24. 54. 54y by how much value? 6 plus again 18y. 6 how many times? 9. 9 plus 18. 27. Next question number 16. In triangle ABC, D is parallel to which one? BC. AB equal to which one? 48 and BD equal to x centimeters and AE value 30 and EC value 42. Find the length of the x. What is the AB value? 48. What is the EC value? 42. Then we written AB into EC and AB into EC. AB into which one? EC or yes or no? Next, in the same way, we written which one? BD into AC or no? Yes or no? BD value into which one? AC value. AB into EC, that is equal to BD into AC. What is the AB value? 48. What is the EC value? 42. That is equal to BD value. How much? X. Next, AC value 72. ekkada rule ni break cheyaledu. Product of the sides are left side total side, right side half side are taken, again right side total side and unknown side BDR. Okay, next 24 how many times? 72. 3 times. 24 2 times. 3 how many times? 14. 14 2s are 28. X equal to how much? 28. Next question number 17. The number of students who like tennis from schools ABC are approximately what percentage of the number of students who like football from school A and basketball from school B and cricket from school D together? Tennis ABC. What is the tennis AB? 25, 35, 42. Total it is 102. 102. Approximately what percent of who like football from school A? Who like football from school A? 25. Basketball from school B? 29. Cricket from school D? 25. 25 plus 25? 50 plus 29? 79. Is what percent? Means 102 by 79 into 100. We required approximate value or exact value? Approximate. 79 means I consider 80. 24, 20 how many times? 4. 20 how many times? 5. 5 into 102. 510 divide by 4. 4 12 how much? 48. Remaining 30. 30 means it is almost 7.5 or 127.5. What is the nearest value? 129. Because we are taken in place of 79, we are taken more value. Obviously percentage nearest value of 127.5. 129 possible or 121? 129. 18. First priority last term or not? Square root of 1156, 34. Square root of 441, 21. Square root of 676, 26. Square root of 121, 11. Square root of 16384, 84, 128, 128. More than 163. 163. What is the first three digits? 163 or not? What is the 12 square? 144. What is the 13 square? It is in between 120 and 130 or not? It is closer to which one? 130 or 120? 130. Then answer 128. What is the units position? 4. Possibility either 2 or 8. What are the first three digits? 163. What is the 12 square? What is the 13 square? It is near to which one? 13 square or not? Means it is 122 are possible or 128 are possible? 128. What is that? 125 square? 125 square, 15625 or not? Means it is more than 125 but less than 130 or not? Then 128 are possible or 122? 128. But I depend on here last two digits. What is the 84? 28 square or not? 28 square is how much? 784 or not? Means last two digits are 84, means it must be end with 28 or not? Next 5832, which one cube? 18 cube or not? First plus 11 minus 21 minus 10 plus 26 16 plus 34 50 plus 18 68 plus 128 196. Square root of 196. Next 19th. This question is almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the concepts are covered. Cube root are covered. Squares are covered. Square root concept are covered. Next question number 19. Ravi bought a bag and marked at 5,400 and sold at a discount of 66.2 by 3%. The profit earned by Ravi was 50%. If the bag was sold at 80% discount, then the loss or profit earned by the Ravi was a what is the first time discount? 66.2 by 3%. Means what is the fraction? 2 by 3 or not? What is the meaning? Out of 3 parts, how many parts are discount? 2 parts or not? What is the remaining? 1 part. Means 1/3 of market price or not? 1/3 of market price. But he getting a profit is how much? 50%. 50% profit means what is the selling price? 150% of cost price or selling price? Cost price. Next, second time what is the discount percent? 80%. 80% means what is the fraction? 4 by 5. Means out of 5 parts, how many parts are discount? 4 parts. What is the remaining value? 1 by 5. Means 1/5 of which one? Market price or not? 80% are discount means remaining value 1/5 of market price. That is equal to what percent of cost price or selling price? Cost price. First one also 150% of which one? Cost price. Left hand side 1/3 of market price, it is equal to 150% of cost price. It is first condition. Second condition 1/5 of market price equal to what percent of cost price? Market price, cost price are cancelled. This one we return. Sir, అదేంటి అలా cancel చేశారు? These two are numerator and denominator. Those two are numerator and denominator. Those two are cancelled, these two are cancelled. Next 1 by 5 into which one? 150 divided by 1 by 300. 5 how many times? 30. 30 into 3, 90. What is the meaning? 90% of cost price or selling price? Cost price. 90% of cost price means loss or gain? Loss. How much percent? 10% loss or not? Next question number 20. The number of boys in a school are 75% more than the number of girls. Boys compared to girls, how much percent are more? 75% more. Suppose girls we are consider 4 parts, boys are 7 parts. 75% means what is the fraction? 3 by 4 means out of 4 parts, how many parts are more? 3 parts more. One will be 4, another one 4 plus 3 or only 4? 4 plus 3. What is the ratio? 7:4. What is the question here? How many students are there in the school? How many students means total how many parts? 11 parts. How many options are 11 multiples? Third option 11 multiple. Fourth option 11 multiple. Yes. More than one option. First option also 11 multiple. Second option also 11 multiple. All the options are 11 multiples. Before solving the question, first we need to identify how many options are 11 multiples. First verify how many options are 11 multiples. All the options are okay. Boys are how many parts? 7 parts. Girls are 4 parts. And 9424 topies is distributed among all the students in the school such that each girl got 5 topies. Means every girl 5 topies. And each boy got 20% more topies than each girl. First of all, number of boys is how many parts? 7 parts. Number of girls are 4 parts. Every girl how many topies are received? 5 topies. 4 parts into 5. That is number of topies is received by all the girls or only one girl? All the girls. Next, every boy how much percent more than the girls? 20%. Or the each girl? 5. 20% more means 1 more or 5 plus 1? 6. How many boys are there? 7 parts. Everyone is received 6. It is total topies are boys and it is total topies are girls. These two are adding, it is total value. What is the total topies? 9424. Simplify this one, we are get the 1 part value. Okay. 7 into 6, 42. 4 into 5, 20. Total it is 62 parts. That is equal to 9424. 62 ones are how much? 62. Remaining 32. 322. 322 means 62 5 times how much? 310. Remaining 12. 12 means 2 times or not? What is the 1 part value? 152. But we required how many parts? 11 parts. 11 into 152 or not? It is 1520 plus 152. Then answer 167. 1520 plus 152 or not? Total how much? 1672 or not? Clear?